Don't leave for later what you can do now. This is the Max Bot channel. Now I will conduct trades, and advanced artificial intelligence will help me in this. My bot is an advisor that collects indicator data in real time and presents it in a convenient format, immediately recommending in which direction to open a deal. Folks, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell to always see important information and fresh offers. Like and comment, I'm motivated to keep helping you. So, I'm starting to work on the British pound Japanese yen currency pair. I chose a 5-minute expiration time. $1,350 is the entry point. The bot reads the market very quickly and provides detailed reports with information on key indicators. In this case, 9 indicators are green. I can see from the price movement chart that bulls have been steadily saturating the market with volumes over the past hour. Sellers did not allow the price to fall significantly, but their potential is still weaker in this segment. I think that soon we will see a fresh impulse, a rebound from the support zone, and a slight price increase, which will help close the deal with a profit. Friends, I have some very good news for you. I am currently preparing a great course on technical analysis for you. All partners will receive it. To become a partner, send me a private message via the link in the description below the video. In this course, I will talk about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is completely free. And if you follow the link in the description, you will receive a promo code for a 100% deposit bonus. That is, for example, if you make a deposit of $50, you will receive an additional $50 bonus. Or, for example, if you deposit $500, you will have $1,000 in your account. The promo code works for the first deposit. From red days to green legends, the 9K char motivation your trading journey deserves. It's 3 a.m. The only light in your room is the neon glow of USD, JPY candlesticks, and you're pretty sure those wicks have a personal vendetta. Another position ends in crimson. Cue the sinking gut, the self-talk that sounds like a bad Netflix monologue. Maybe I'm not built for this. Stop right there. Rocky took a beating before he raised the belt. Harry Potter lived under a staircase before Hogwarts. Serena Williams lost finals before lifting trophies. Your losing streak? It's just the training montage the audience fast-forwards through. Except you don't get to skip the sweat. Before we dream of Ferraris and beachfront Wi-Fi, we lock in the boring stuff that keeps accounts alive. Risk 1 to 2% of your deposit on any single trade, period. $100 account minus $1 position minus 80 cents win. $1,000 account minus $10 position minus $8 win. Same skill, different scale. Compounding only works if you're still in the game tomorrow. Blow up and you're just another cautionary tale on a Reddit thread. What's your current risk percentage and why? Let's crowdsource discipline. Mindset over mood swings. Charts don't care about your feelings. They're like Thanos, inevitable. What you can control is response. Plan the trade. Trade the plan. Review the trade. Skip any step and your P/L turns into a Marvel snap. Half your equity, gone. So, I just made a profit. It's time for the second trade. Australian dollar and Japanese yen, 5 minutes. The robot scanned the market and showed me important data. 8 indicators said good prospects for sellers in the coming minutes. I agree with this. That's a reason to hit the red key. We help with training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, based on historical data, I see price declines within a wide corridor. The market has felt overbought and the price is about to decline. This is backed by growing bearish volumes, as the histogram shows. I think that the increasing influence of bears on this segment will have a positive impact on the result. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. Like and comment if you like this video. Karate Kid. Daniel San waxed cars before he landed a crane kick. Michael Burry The Big Short. Wall Street called him crazy, then he cashed a billion-dollar check. Taylor Swift re-recorded entire albums to own her masters. Talk about drawing new trend lines on an old chart. Persistence, applause. Mastery, hype. Language of the market, patterns plus context plus confirmation. Candlestick literacy. Hammer, buyers punching up. Shooting star, sellers shouting down. Engulfing, trend turning like Anakin to Vader. Think of price as Spider-Man's web. It sticks to certain buildings before launching again. Mark those zones, trade near them. Moving averages. 9 EMA crossing 50 SMA equals momentum shift. Like a plot twist when the sidekick becomes the hero. RSI, MACD confluence. RSI oversold and MACD histogram flips? That's Batman and Superman on the same side, rare, powerful. Multi-timeframe top-down. 4 hour sets the novel, 1 hour gives the chapter, 5 minute delivers the sentence where you enter. Journal. Your Netflix recap button. Screenshot every setup. Log entry, exit, emotion. In a month you'll binge watch your own growth arc, spot recurring villains FOMO entries, revenge trades, and write better sequels. Which pattern or indicator has rescued your worst day? Share the life raft. Risk. A feature, not a bug. Entrepreneurs risk capital, athletes risk injury, musicians risk critics. Traders risk money. Accept it, manage it, respect it. Risk isn't the horror movie monster ignoring it is. So, I completed the work successfully. 2 trades brought me $2,254 of profit. Take the bot, write to our manager for training and subscribe. I'll have more valuable content for you soon. See you soon.